Welcome back to a new video. Here we are in a plenty gardens, so we can enjoy here. Let's see, guys. You can visit here. It is like a park, but not actually. It is not a park. It is just to visit and verify a peace of mind, guys. You can visit here in. From the 4 lane you want to come, just come from the dairy, then when you reach here you will feel nice. Let's see more what we find here. You can visit in this place. It is so beautiful. There is a factory that make tea, not actually tea, but it is I don't know what they call here. There is a factory. Let's see here. This is factory. See, guys, so beautiful place. See this. It is not need to pay also. It is like a park, but actually it is not a park. You can come, you can visit here. If you want to visit, then you can come from there in dairy. So you can visit here. Let's see. See this? See this guy. It's so beautiful and so amazing. See this? It's so beautiful. Guys, you can visit here. You can enjoy your day. Let's see here. So beautiful planting. Let's see this also. You can visit here. No need to pay also. Just comes and just come and can enjoy it. Let's see this.
A beautiful place. Did you see here? Subscribe my channel, guys. You can support us. You can subscribe. Let's see this. So beautiful place. You can come. No need to pay. Just come and enjoy it here. Let's see this also here. See, guys, this is so beautiful place. See, this is a pond.
See, let's see, so beautiful. I think you will find a peace of mind if you come here. Let's see here also, so beautiful. See, it's like a park, but it is not a park. If it is my place, then I will take money from who want to visit this place. Let me know. Subscribe my channel, so I will let you know that this place is there in tea plantations. Just enjoy. Let's see. This is so beautiful, guys. If you want to visit here, you don't need to pay. Just to visit and enjoy, and then you will find experience so many years. If you are sad, then you come here. Then you will find peace of mind, guys. You can come here. You don't need to pay anything. Just come and enjoy your day. Let's see. It's so beautiful. It is not a park. You don't need to pay. You don't have the money. Let's come here. Let's see this. So beautiful. Let's see. Did you see, guys?